Friends, let's learn super trick for tables up to 100 numbers. Let's examine 27. 27 ones are 27, 27 twos are 54, 27 threes are 81, 27 fours are 108, 27 fives are 135, 27 six are 162, 27 sevens are 189, 27 eights are 216, 27 nines are 243, 27 tens are 270. Let's apply the trick. 27. First write a table of 2. Step 1. This is step 1. Next step, table of 20, table of 7. This is step 2. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. अब next step, table of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. Next step 3. We write the answer. How? 2, 7, 27. 27 ones are 27. 4 plus 1, 5. 5, 4. 6 plus 2, 8. 8, 1. 8 plus 2, 10. 108. 10 plus 3, 30. 135. 12 plus 4, 162. 14 plus 4, 18. 189. 16 plus 5, 21. 6. 18 plus 6, 24. 2, 4, 3. 20 plus 7, 27. 2, 7, 0. This is table of 27. It's so easy. Next let's example 94. 94 ones are 94. 94 twos are 188. 94 threes are 282. 94 fours are 376. 94 fifths are 470. 94 sixes are 564. 94 sevens are 658. 94 eights are 752. 94 nines are 846. 94 tens are 940. Let's step 1. Table of 9, and step 2, table of 4. Step 3, answer. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Let's table 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Of the answer 94. 94 ones are 94. 18 plus 8, 18 plus 0, 188. 27 plus 1, 282. 36 plus 1, 37, 376. 45 plus 2, 47, 470. 54 plus 2, 56 564. 63 plus 2 63 plus 2 65 8. 72 plus 3 75 2 75 2. 81 plus 3 84 84 6. 90 plus 4 940 940. This is answer. This is table of 94.